Exercise 1.3, question 17. In a school, listen, this is very important. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, class 2 will plant 2 trees, and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? That means here they have decided to plant a tree. So how the number of trees are decided depending upon their class. So here that means class 1 they will plant 1 tree, class 2 they will plant 2, class 3 3, class 4 4, so on up to class 12 they will plant 12, like that. So here, and each class they are having 3 sections, means if they take first standard, class 1, class A, B, C, let me consider if it is class 1, so A, let me take A section, B section, C section, 3 sections. So that means each class 1 means they have to plant 1 tree. That means 1 tree from A section, 1 tree from B section, 1 tree from C section. That means the total trees from class 1 is 3, like this. Clear? In the same way, if we take class 2, again here B, C, again 3 section. A section 2 plants, B section 2 plants, C section 2 plants. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. So 6 plants from class 2, like that. So here if I consider in the same way, class 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, because there are 3 sections. So from overall from class 1 is 3 plants. Again class 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6, so on. So we can't do each and everything. So let us take so on. Finally, you can take last class, that is class 12. Class 12, again 3 section, A, B, C. If I consider A, B, C, from A section 12 plants, B section 12 plants, C section 12 plants. If I add 12 plus 12 plus 12, it is 36. Therefore, the number of trees in a sequence, if I take in the sequence 3. So first will be class 1 will be 3, class 2 will be 6, class 3 will be 9, because class 3 means 3 plus 3 plus 3, A section, B, C, like this. So total 9. 12, 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12, again 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15, 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18, like that. So if I take a sequence, it will be like this. The last will be 36, because the end is class 12. So using this sequence, let me write A equals 3, D equals 3, AN. So last term is 36. So using this, let me find n, or you can write n equals 12, because that number of classes, that is 1, 2, 3 up to 12 means directly you can take 12. But to confirm or to verify, you can find it out. An equals A plus n minus 1 into D. So here 36 equals 3 plus n minus 1 into 3. Let me substitute. An is 36, A is 3, keep it n minus 1 as it is 3. So take 3 this side, 36 minus 3, n minus 1 into 3. So 36 minus 3 is 33. So take 3 to the this side, it becomes division. 33 by 3, it is 11, n minus 1. So minus 1 if we take L to LHS, n equals 12. Clear? So instead of doing this, you can take 12 as the answer, because the number of classes from 1 to 12 they said, so it is 12 only. Directly you can take. Now let me take, I have to find total number of trees, how many trees from overall school. If I take, so directly you go to this formula, Sn equals n by 2 A plus An, because here you have A and An together. So S12, 12 by 2, A is 3 plus 36, So S12, 12 by 2 is 6, 36 plus 3 is 39, 39 into 6 you will get 234. Either you can cross check, because 3 plants from class 1, 6 plants from class 2, 9 plants from class 3, again 12 class from 4, next 15, like this 16. If we go on adding all these, if we go on 18 like this, again you will get 234, but this is a lengthy process. So using this formula we will get the answer in short. Clear? So the question is lengthy, but understand the question, read the question once or twice, understand, then write the given part. Using the given part, select the formula, substitute it, simplify it, and final answer will be the 234. Clear?